We are super thankful for Sample. Kasi grabe sobrang dami niyang binibigay na gifts. And of course, we're super happy with that, because of that. And yeah.
Ito pa dito.
Well, sa sobrang dami na mga gifts na binigay nyo sa amin din, we would like to take this chance na to share it with other people din. And since I thought about it and Sam thought about it din na parang why not share it with other people din. So we were thinking with everyone's help, we could we're planning to do a charity work with this.
Yay! Together!
Yes, together.
Yeah.
Instead of the gift, you buy gifts for us, the money, give it to charity na lang.
Yeah, sure. When are you planning to conduct the, mamaya na.
Starting
Oh, yeah, wala.
Well, we can get together again and
Yes.
discuss it with whoever wants to join. Well, we're in Manila naman, we're dami naman sila Ali can help with us. Everyone can help us naman, but not just the Salita, the Paul Jakers, and Sopang Jason. Jason si Melody na sa ang dami mga fans eh. But, yeah, to whoever wants to support and will help us out, well, that'd be nice if pag-nulungin kayo. So,
Yes.
reach out.
Go, girl!
Thank you very much, yes, sobra. GC, we use them kaya.
Yeah, yeah.
Diba?
Marami.
Thank you very